Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Arknikko SophPad X11 Kids Tablet. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Arknikko SophPad X11 Kids Tablet incorporates pre-installed KIDOZ app, a COPPA certified child safety application. The age filter guarantees thousands of filtered content suitable for growing minds. Through the parental control mode, screen time and monitoring content could be set. These settings ensure your kids only have access to tailored content. SophPad X11 is not only a kid's tablet. With 2 GB RAM and quad-core processor, it's a fully functional Android tablet. GMS-certified Android 10 is safer and faster than Android 9, and gets access to the latest Google services, such as Gmail, YouTube, Drives and Maps. The built-in 32 GB storage space can be expanded to 128 GB through the microSD slot, which could easily save photos, games, and movies. The upgraded organic silicone shock-proof cover can effectively protect kids' tablets from accidental oops. It is of higher quality and better in the hand than foam protection case. The built-in 360-degree adjustable ring bracket offers excellent experience from all angles. The 7-inch 1024x600 IPS HD display coming with screen protector makes it easy for kids' hands and eyes. SophPad X11 is a perfect Wi-Fi Android kids tablet for online learning. You can visit Google Play Store to download a large number of up-to-date educational applications and videos. The 3500 mAh large-capacity battery ensures 8-hour continuous use on a single charge, which can enable kids to study joyfully for a longer time. It also includes a dual camera with flash. These all make it the best birthday, Christmas, or New Year gift for kids aged 2 to 10 years. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.